Hello, this is V. Welcome to 25H VKM Studios. Today I'm reviewing LEGO 77053 Stargazing with Celeste. Now let's open the box. The set is fully built, now let's review it. From looking at this set, the saying less is more doesn't apply, and it doesn't need to apply, and there's a lot of things you can do with the set, and there's a lot of great things with the set. You can have Celeste look at the stars through the telescope, and then maybe you can see that the stars are being reflected on the water, but it could also be like stars are just floating on the water. You can have Celeste having a picnic. Maybe he could be drinking some tea, eat a muffin, and then with the spare pieces in the set, and one of them is this piece, you could just put it in the cup, and maybe he could be drinking black coffee. Or you can have Celeste sit on this moon-shaped chair. You can probably have him sitting on it or just lying on it, but you can have him like just reading his book, which, by the way, it uses a 1x2 print of stars in the sky. Now, looking at the minifigure, if you didn't know that Celeste is an owl, and if you just looked at the minifigure, you'll probably think Celeste is a phoenix. Now going back to the build, this tree and flower, it's very simple to put together, and they're just there for decoration. The build that stands out is the telescope. As with this build, it's one of those builds where if you were to find this in a different LEGO theme, like City or Friends, you would not question its appearance. When it comes to predicting when this set will retire, when you Google it, Google does not confirm it, but Google does estimate that the set will retire at the end of this year. Hopefully this estimation is wrong and this set can last a few more years, as this set is very good. With this set you can change the layout, as let's say you could do like this, turn the tree and the flower around and then change where the telescope is and then like put it here. I mean, you don't have to do this, but with this set it's meant to go with other Animal Crossing sets, hence why there will always be a 2x4 piece that sticks out from underneath. When it comes to pairing it up with other sets, the best set to pair it up with is the Bunny's Outdoor Activities set from 2024. The only problem you're going to have when it comes to pairing the two sets up together is the colour of the water, as in this set the water is blue, but in the Bunny's Outdoor Activities set the water is light blue with a bit of white. Overall, the set is very good, and the set is so good that it'll probably be like top 3 best Animal Crossing sets. We have made it to the end of the video. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and stay in touch with the channel as more videos are coming out soon.